Oh, hello, look at that. Is this another First Step Chef video? And you're making turkey chili? Yes! That sounds awesome! Yeah, so let's do it. Our primary ingredient today is ground turkey. You're going to need about 1 pound. You will also need one 14 and 1/2 ounce can of diced tomatoes and one 15 and 1/2 ounce can of red kidney beans. The onion makes its return debut. This time we're only going to use half of one sweet onion. And lastly, a packet of your choice of chili mix. First, go ahead and cut up your onion. Just like always, cut it into slices first, then you can stack those slices next to each other and dice them up easily. Make sure you don't end up with huge strips. I know I hate biting into one of those in my chili. Next, with your pan set to medium-high, add your ground turkey. Now don't forget, if you touch the ground turkey, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly before you touch anything else. You don't want to spread that to any of your other equipment. Proceed to breaking up your ground turkey as it cooks. Make sure to cook it until there is no pink left. This will likely take about 5 to 6 minutes. Be sure to continue to stir and flip the turkey so that it all gets cooked through. With the turkey all finished, you may now add your onion. And lowering to medium heat now, cook the onion for about 3 minutes along with your turkey. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients now, so begin with your can of diced tomatoes, followed by the can of red kidney beans, and your packet of your choice of chili mix. Continue to cook and stir until you see your chili boil. Once you see those bubbles start appearing, lower the heat to a low simmer and cover your pan. It's going to sit covered and cook for 10 more minutes. Do not forget to stir occasionally. And there it is, it's done. That was a quick one. That was rapid fire. Now it's up to you from this point. You might want to add cheese. Some people include an additional vegetable when they cook it. There are lots of ways you can change this to suit your preferences. I actually even prefer to use ground beef, but I wanted to do something a little different. So per the usual, I would love if you would leave me a comment how to make this a little bit different, how to improve it even, maybe even another idea for a recipe. I greatly appreciate you catching one of my videos, and I hope that you'll join me again for another episode of First Step Chef.